Hi guys. So we're gonna be doing a science project about oranges, baking soda, and vinegar.
What's it called?
It is orange volcanoes. So we're gonna put two
scoops of baking soda. Maybe a little more than that.
Probably.
That's a tiny spoon.
It's really.
A little more.
Sorry, I'm doing.
Good job. Yeah, that's fine. A little more.
Sorry, this is actually 4 scoops.
Here, I'll pour.
And now we put vinegar, and then it's gonna explode. It's gonna be so cool. Here's the magic.
Careful.
Here is the magic.
Slow.
Whoa! I did it too fast. Oh, that's so cool. You can take the orange out and just like pour it. Whoa!
Good job.
That is crazy. And we still have another orange to use it. So you can do another experience about floating.
Wrap it up. All right.
So that was really cool. Subscribe, hit the like button. See y'all next time. Goodbye.